Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos, you guys. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a video, and make sure you click all. So today we are going to be doing a review. As you can see from the title, we are going to be reviewing the Lanciley Invisible Magnetic Lashes. So if this is something you're interested in, then definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, so Lanciley, this brand reached out to me to try their invisible magnetic eyelashes. We're going to be doing that today. I have not opened it. I put it on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, make sure you follow my Instagram. But I was going to unbox on Instagram, but then I did a little poll and people were like, no, just wait to do it on YouTube. So here we are. We're going to be doing a review, first impression, demo, all in one. So I'm excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and open up this and then I'm going to come back. So for starters, this is what the packaging is looking like. It's your standard box. It says it has 1 eyelash tweezer, it has 10 pairs of lashes, and 2 traditional magnetic liquid eyeliner. So you do get 2 of the eyeliners, which is great, because normally, like with certain things, you only get like 1. Alright, so you can order this off Amazon. Everything will be down below in the description box. So let's see what it looks like. I'm opening it. Look at my box is upside down, but I'm not even sure. But this, got a card inside. This is what we are looking at. So you got your tweezers. Oh, I like those tweezers because they rose gold, and I don't have a pair that looks like that, so that's a plus. And you have your 2 standard liquid eyeliners, and then you have 10 pairs of lashes, and again they are magnetic. So yeah, and all these lashes, so one side is a little bit more dramatic. These, oh, you can definitely tell these are a little bit more dramatic, and these are, I wouldn't say everyday, but they're a little bit less dramatic. These are a little bit more fuller. So right off bat, y'all, I'm feeling this because you get 10 pair of lashes for like $22. Normally, nowadays, 1 pair of lashes is like $10. So I would say this is pocket friendly, and I feel like this would be beginner friendly with the whole magnetic thing. But y'all, let's get into it. I'm a hush because we finna get into this. Alright, so we are up close and personal. Now that I'm really looking at the lashes, these are 10 different styles, you guys. I had to like really look. So which ones do I want to put on today? Ooh, those are cute. But are they me? Okay, so I'm going to do these. These, yeah, you get 10 different styles for 22 bucks, which is not bad at all. Okay, I like to buy my lashes in bulk now, so this is perfect. And again, I say for beginners too, because you have everything you need right here in this little pan. So what I like to do, you already know how I like to go in and do my lashes. I like to go in a measure, of course. And you want to make sure you measure, because all lashes do not fit your eyelids. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get some scissors. These are longer than my eyelid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some scissors. I'm gonna cut. I'm not gonna do what I was gonna do. I'm gonna do something a little bit more dramatic. I like full. Let's do these. Y'all, excuse me because I don't know what I want to do. Alright, that's gonna work. So I'm gonna measure these side by side, and you want to cut wherever is best for you. So if I cut one lash, I'm gonna just measure it literally side by side. If I can get it. Y'all, these birds going ham, man. They happy. It's so nice outside. Okay, 2 lashes. Alright, so now it's time for the glue. So it has instructions on the back. Yeah. Instructions on the back. It says shake the eyeliner. And I never do that with any of my products. But shake the eyeliner. And then you want to apply it to your eyelid like you would do regular liner. And if you are brand spanking new, like to lashes and anything remotely makeup, and you want to do this, and you're like, I'm not good at eyeliner, what do I do? Literally just do little dots, and I'm probably gonna do it on one of the eyes. So this is your bottle, this is your product. It looks like literally liquid eyeliner. So on this one, I'm going to just do it how I would do liner. It literally feels like eyeliner. So you have your line. It doesn't have to be perfect, but again, if you you just want to get your lashes on and you're not great at liner, do the dots. I literally just dot close together. That's possible. Alright, so I've never used one of these, like not like this, but I've been wanting one but just been too lazy to get it myself. So we're going to be using that, and I just feel like this is so beginner friendly because it literally holds your lashes, and if you're scared of the pointy tweezer, this works perfectly for you. So I'm gonna just go ahead and like put it on. Now the other thing with this is, like, I'm normally use lash glue. I use lash glue as liner, and then I kind of let it dry. Oh, let me put my mascara on. This review all over the place, but whatever. This is my world, literally, how things work. I'm just going to coat my lashes with some mascara like how I normally do if I were using lash glue. Alright, so now I'm going to apply the lash. And it literally went right back. Right, well. Y'all, that is so easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I'm wondering, like, I have so many questions. Okay, so whenever I apply my lashes using lash glue, like this method, when I get ready to take my makeup off, I always have leftover lash glue on my lashes, on my eyes, and it be stuck for like days. Okay, I'm wondering if I'll have the same issue with this. I'm probably gonna come back tonight and be removing things, and we're gonna see how that goes, because that is annoying, like to have lash glue all over my lashes left over. But I like this. This is, I wish I had this when I was learning how to apply lashes. Okay, so the only thing with the dotting method, you need more of the product for it to stick. So I'm just gonna add more. I love these tweezers. And it just applies on. You do not have to wait for it to dry or anything. You just put it on, girl, and y'all, this gonna save so much time. Like, okay, this looks so good. And the lashes, they're not like your plastic lashes. You are getting quality lashes. Like, this is great. This is great. We like it. And these look so good. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so for final thoughts, I just feel like this is super pocket friendly, and I just feel like it's very beginner friendly as well. You get 10 lashes for like 20 bucks. Again, most lashes you're buying, whether for somebody you know or off a site or whatever, it's like $10 a lash. So I just feel like 10 for 20, like, you can't get wrong. And I feel like this is beginner friendly and pocket friendly, because if you're starting out, you want to get a bunch of lashes at once, you know, just to have in your kit. This is great for a starter kit, especially if you're like a makeup artist or anything like that. With that being said, I do makeup part-time every now and then, but like my biggest struggle was lashes. Applying lashes was my biggest struggle. Had I had this product or anything like it, like the magnetic, where it made it super easy, y'all, it would just go so smoothly. Like, I just feel like this is great. My only thing about this product, like a con or whatever, if they could make this liner like disappear, like I'm trying to think, like not like white, but make it invisible, like it dries clear, that would be perfect, because some makeup looks and stuff like that, I don't be wanting black liner. So with this, you're gonna get the black liner look, and sometimes you don't want that all the time. So if they could just make this and have it dry clear, that would be perfect. That's the reason why I use my clear eyelash glue when I want certain looks. I don't want no liner. But that is literally like the only thing. I love the tweezers. Again, you get so much for your money, and I just feel like it is just perfect for beginners. Like, you cannot go wrong. So I wanted to go ahead and give my final thoughts here before I forget. I plan to come back, you guys, and do the removal process, see what that's like, see if I have any like product left over, again, because with my lash glue I always have just little beads of things just in my lashes. So I'm going to come back later, hopefully. Alright, so I'm back. I'm ready to get this stuff on my face. Like, yeah. So I'm using my Purity One Step Facial Cleanser. I'm just going to put a little bit on this cotton pad. Probably should have dabbed a little bit, but let's see. Maybe I should have zoomed in. Let's see. Oh, the lash comes right off, and it also has like a removal instructions on the back of the box as well, so you can keep your lashes. Do not throw your lashes away, girl, because you can remove the residue with just a cleaner like this. But I want to see if it's going to completely remove that liner. It's taking a little tuck. But it is coming off slowly but surely. I don't want to put this directly like on my eye. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, rub that together, and we're going to just do this. Okay, and it just comes right off. Okay. I was playing. Okay, my bad. But it comes right off. So that's good news. I don't have any like glue in my lashes. I'm telling you, because it's super annoying, okay, to get that off. But you guys, I look crazy. That is all I have for you guys for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, whoever. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. And I will see y'all in the next one.